So this is the final summer-proof palette. So talk a little bit about what we have in here.
Well, we have all of the 4 products that we use on our faces to achieve this look. I feel like this is the perfect set for the summertime. I love that it comes in this bag because you can take this wherever.
Yes.
It's waterproof. It's really cute. You can put, you know, your summer-proof palette in here, or you can put like whatever you want, your phone, whatever. And it's cute too.
So cute. And yeah. So, and yeah. Hello. Is this side good for you?
Good morning. I like that side better.
Okay.
Put her hair back. Look at that. That's not it. That looks like a bird of some sort.
It's a look.
It is a look.
It's a look. Yeah, that looks really good.
It
actually does look really good.
You look really good, so I'm glad we're on the same page here. I may or may not look like a little bean, but you know.
Firstly, I want to say that I'm so excited to be doing this video with Summer. I'm a longtime fan and follower.
Oh, yay!
So finally,
I'm
get
so
to do our
excited.
makeup together. And Summer, I mean, obviously, we both have kind of like our different techniques on how we do our makeup, but I feel like we kind of at the same time have a similar vibe.
Definitely, for sure.
Right?
Yeah, you are like, you're so good at nailing the very natural, like no makeup, and just like a prettier version of yourself.
Thank you.
And that is what I strive to do every time I do my makeup. So,
So we're gonna show you how we create kind of like our idea or our version of like a less is more, no makeup look using
summer-proof makeup palette by
Woo!
me and Nudestix.
So
excited.
So excited.
So excited. Let's get our makeup going. Wait,
Let's get our
which one are we doing?
Let's get our makeup
going.
We tried.
We're doing our makeup.
Yeah.
Bondi Bay.
Love this product. This is the perfect bronzer because it never looks orange on the skin and it never looks muddy.
Oh, sometimes I do it like right there.
Yeah.
Is that weird?
No, that's not weird at all. Because I feel like I love to place my bronzer in areas where the sun usually hits naturally.
Yes.
By the way, did you know that the brush actually twists off so that you can wash it?
No way.
Right?
That is necessary. Ooh, it blends out really nicely.
I know, like so smooth. And then I like to take a little bit with my finger and just kind of swipe it on the eyes.
Oh, I always do that.
Yeah.
Love bronzer on the eyelids.
Me too.
Here's what I'm doing. I'm taking my fingers and I'm dabbing it a little bit on.
I'm gonna do what you're doing.
And I'm just like building it up. I love to look bronzy.
And I feel like this color genuinely looks like a natural.
Yeah,
tan.
completely. It's not orange and it's not like a weird like gray.
I also like to place a little bit on the tops of my cheeks because also I find that when I naturally tan, exactly, like right over here.
I'm gonna do that too. That's a good tip.
Yeah. You can take a brush and you can dab it directly onto the bronzer. You can swipe it down the neck.
Oh, can I do that after you?
Yes. Because sometimes, like, I'm always a lot whiter right here. So it just blends everything together. Just be careful with your clothing.
Oh my gosh,
Don't wear white turtlenecks.
Don't wear makeup if you're gonna wear white
No.
turtleneck. Okay, lastly, I'm gonna take a little bit, put it on my eyelids because I can't not do this.
Yes.
So always
I'm gonna do more of that. So I'm really excited about this.
I am too.
Because again, we had talked about how we both love like that kind of dewy complexion. So this is blush, but with a dewy finish.
And I feel like this almost kind of resembles a sunburn.
It does, yes.
Which maybe some people might not like that, but I love that.
Like I actually personally like that. I like when my cheeks look rosy, like I just came back from the beach or I was just in the sun for a little bit too long. I love even bringing it up like to the hairline.
And I put it like even kind of under my eyes a little bit.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I love blush. This like makes me happy. Also, something I like to do is just take a little bit and I put it on my nose.
Ooh.
Because it's cute to me.
It's cute.
Don't put too much though, because you don't want to look like Rudolph. But
no.
It is like further the sunburn look.
Yeah. And then I also take some with my finger and I tap it onto my eyes, and you can add a lot for more of like an editorial glossy lid look, but for something more natural, then you could just swipe one layer.
That's really pretty.
Yeah. And you can wear this, like we were wearing a little bit of a base, but honestly, even on bare skin, if you're having one of those days where you're like, I just don't want to wear foundation, I just want a little bit of concealer, it's perfect.
You
We kind of look like scarily like twins.
The Shining Twins. The Shining Twins.
I love that. So this is our Magnetic Nude Glimmer, shade Bronze Eye Babe. It's a bronze liquid glow. And what I love about this is that it's all day wear.
Ooh.
So if you want to go to the beach and you don't want your highlighter to smudge off, this is perfect.
And when I go to the beach, I pretty much actually always wear highlighter, even if I don't wear like anything else.
Yeah.
I just feel like that looks really good.
Yeah, your skin just looks really fresh.
Yes. This is really pretty too because, like we were talking about earlier, it's a little bit of a bronzy shade.
Yeah.
So it's like a golden glow.
Exactly. And then on the eyes. So I like to place a little bit on right in the center of my lid.
Mm-hmm.
And then kind of smudge it out.
I'm gonna put a little like in my inner corner.
Ooh.
I do this every single day.
Yes.
Without fail. And then a little bit in the inner third.
Just a small little tip. You can place that right in the center of your lip for like a ombre look, and it kind of makes your lips look a little plump.
Really pretty.
Really pretty.
Super gorgeous.
For you.
Oh, one of my favorites. Okay, this thing here. It's my favorite lip gloss.
This lip gloss is formulated with really, really amazing moisturizing ingredients.
I can tell.
Like avocado oil, shea butter, coconut oil, miru.
Cool.
Really hydrating, and we formulated it like that it stays put all day like a lip gloss, but it has the finish of a lip oil. So it almost has like a glassy finish, so we call it our nude lip glacé.
It's perfect, you guys. I'm not kidding. Like, oh my gosh, I went to Coachella and I was using this every single day. Like every like 10 minutes, honestly. But yeah, I am all about really, really nice lip balms.
Yeah.
And this like feels like a lip balm. Like it's definitely like a little thicker, so it's a gloss balm almost.
Right. Yeah.
But it feels really, really good on your lips, and it looks really good too.
Also, another ingredient, it's a lip plumping peptide that actually fills your lip line.
No way!
It helps boost the collagen in your lip, so if you want like a fuller looking lip,
I didn't even know that.
you're gonna love this.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Wow.
And this is the shade that's available in the summer proof kit, but we also have a bunch of other shades that are different shades of nude. But I believe like for summer, like you pick the shades, like
yes,
that's our perfect nude.
Yes, for sure. And by the way, if you guys didn't know, I picked all the shades that are in my summer proof kit.
Yes.
The makeup is so pretty. I really love it. It's very dewy. It's like everything that I want.
Yeah. And I find that like it's still so lightweight. It still sits so naturally on the skin.
Yeah. My goodness.
All right. I think that's it.
Hey! Thank you guys so much for watching this.
Yes, we're so excited to be collaborating with you.
So
Honestly,
excited.
this is the perfect summer-proof palette to
Literally.
take you through your entire summer to the beach, to any festivals.
Everyday look.
Everyday looks. It's
Yes.
just so pretty and glowy.
I can't even tell you how excited I am. But, by the way, this is a limited time thing, so get your hands on the Summerproof palette while you can. I want to see as many of you as I possibly can using this because I'm so freaking excited about it. I love the products. They're really great quality and they're perfect for every day. So I'm very, very excited.
I can't wait. Can't wait for you to try it.
Bye!
Bye, guys.